everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today, trading Forex. As you guys know, equity markets was closed today for the holiday. All right. So welcome. Hey, Saga. Welcome, Saga. Welcome. Guys, let's go over Forex. But before we do that, we started paying attention to the news towards data. All right. You guys know we've had a lot of indecision in these markets, especially Forex. So for right now, we're going to pay attention to the data that's coming out. So Thursday early morning in the Euro session, we do have data that's coming out. All right. So in the pound pairs, all right. So Great Britain, we've got around 7 a.m. we've got data that's coming out. Okay. And then in the New York session, so the US session, New York session, we've got data coming out at 8:30. So 7 a.m., and 8:30 a.m. Tomorrow we've got data, and also on Friday. But just remember, 7 a.m. a little past the Euro session there, and then 8 a.m. in the morning. All right. All right. No, we will not take a look at equities this evening because the markets closed for today. We'll go for perhaps 30 minutes, guys. Probably a little longer because we're just going to focus on Forex. That's the only market that was open today. All right. Monster Forex tracker. We're getting some consolidation. Okay, so we're getting some consolidation, not tight consolidation. All right, but we are getting consolidation in Forex. So on the daily here, we're about 50% consolidating here. All right, so we've got all these yellow pairs here are holding, all right, near or above resistance. And then all the red here, those are between support and resistance or near support. So a lot of consolidation on the daily, about 50%. On the 240, we've got more consolidation. All right. So we've got about, I would say, 60%, about 60%, 55, 60% consolidation. And on the 60-minute, about 50% consolidation here. So just be aware of that. Okay. That doesn't mean we can't trade. Just be aware that we've got some consolidation, and that's normal on holidays. All right. So just light volume, just expect that, but things should pick up in the Euro session, London session in the morning. Okay, we're starting to see the yen pair shape up a bit. So we're seeing more buying here. All right, blue, all these blue here is buying in the yen pairs. All right, on the 60, 240, and the daily is shaping up. So we'll keep an eye on these yen pairs. Okay, I know we have current positions in the yen pairs, so that's shaping up really, really good. We want to see selling come in. We want to see on the dollar, right? The dollar pairs here, sellers come in on the dollar here. We want these to turn red to get a rotation. Okay, on the 60-minute, 240, and that's definitely happening here. Look at the 240 here, guys. All right, a lot of red coming in here. All right, in here, I'm still buying in here, but boy, look at that. That's good there. Okay, so we like to see buying come in that top area here. Hey, Anthony, welcome. In that top area here, we want to see buying come in. All right, and then we want to see selling coming in here. All right, so, and guys, we like to see at some point consolidation right over here, because what happens is eventually the markets will consolidate and then move. Right, so we'd like to see consolidation first, and then price breakout, or the market, all right, the Forex market breakout. Okay, so consolidation is not bad, all right, if we know how to read it and understand it. Okay, all right, but good news, right? This yen pairs buying is coming in here. All right, we'd like to see these Aussie pairs. I know we have some trades going on in the Aussie pairs. We'd like to see the Aussie pairs shape up, which they are, and then these Kiwi pairs shape up. All right, so that's good. And selling in here. Let's take a quick look at um, the dollar index, right? Currently down, but holding green candles right here. All right. For the dollar index to really make a move, it has to break through that resistance right here. This is encouraging, green candles, but ideally need to break through resistance, get a buy signal. Okay. Our current position. So let's go through the current positions in Monster Scalper. Again, we won't take too long this evening, since equity markets closed today. We'll just focus on Forex, and then we'll get you guys out of here. Okay. All right. 60-minute ZAR yen on the 60-minute time frame, holding a great trade here. All right. Buy signal was here on ZAR yen. We got a red candle, but got back in. All right. Holding firm on the 60-minute. Really good trade going here. Let's bring in a resistance line here. All right. Remember, we've got data coming in late morning though, so 7 a.m. and 8:30. All right. So we should not have a lot of volatility early morning. Okay. In the New York, in the Euro session. Aussie yen. All right. Great trade going here. Buy signal here. All right. Aussie yen. All right. So yen pairs are shaping up. Buy signal here, holding firm or green candles. Euro yen closed. That's too bad. It closed its long position right here on the 60. Keep an eye on it. If it breaks through that resistance, we do have resistance here. All right. But the buy signal was here, broke support, red candle, sell signal. All right, if we get another buy signal on a break of this resistance, we might call it, but very choppy with the euro yen. Swiss yen, holding firm. Buy signal was here, moving up nicely. Now it's holding right here at resistance. We need to break through that resistance. Okay, and we see buying coming in, right, in the yen pair. So that's encouraging. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on it there. Okay. Pound yen holding its buy signal, trading above resistance. We have new levels, right, of resistance right here. Buy signal here, it's holding firm so far. Need to break through resistance right here. Okay. All right. Pound yen. Aussie dollar. So we see the Aussie pairs shaping up. All right. So buy signal all the way down here, guys, holding firm. All right. Trading right at resistance. Just remember, sellers are here. All right. But it's holding nicely here. Nice green candle here, moving higher. Keep an eye on it though. Okay. Get a white candle. You might want to close that trade. Okay. But otherwise, all green candles, nothing to do. Notice here, right? So we don't want this to happen, right? So keep an eye on it, but no need to close it. It's holding firm. Aussie dollar. Aussie CAD, the same thing, right? Buy signal here on a really good markdown phase. Markdown, accumulation, broke resistance, nice big candle. Buy signal here, holding firm, moving higher, right? Getting past resistance here. Good trade going here. Aussie CAD. And you guys see here, right? The Aussie pairs right in here. Aussie. See here, Aussie pairs buying coming in here on the 60, on the 240. We need that to come in for on that daily too. And then the yen pairs, 60, 240. Yen pairs here. All right. Daily time frame here. So we see buyers are coming in. Okay. All right, so yen pairs, Aussie pairs. All right, so Aussie CAD, for same thing here. Aussie Swiss, Aussie Swiss. We have a buy signal here, decent markdown phase. All right, so the yen pairs and the Aussie pairs. Okay, long monster scalper 60-minute time frame. All right, so target is right up here. Okay, bring in your V's. We do have resistance here. If it gets past that resistance, I know this is a long way from where we are, but all the way up here. Okay, and that's a high area for the 60-minute. But even if we get to here, that would be good. Nice recovery here. All right, holding firm. So yen pairs, Aussie pairs on the 60. Let's take a look at the 240. All right. No shorts. The dollar pairs are making a move short, but boy, that's a tricky trade. I would wait for that dollar index first. Okay. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Buy signal here on the break of resistance. Good trade going here on the 240. Aussie yen. SGD JPY. Buy signal here. Choppy in here, but held firm and moving higher here. Swiss yen. All right, great trade going here with Swiss yen. Really good trade, guys. Buy signal all the way down here. This is about for little over 600 pips. Swiss yen 240. Buy signal here, holding firm, getting ready to break new resistance levels here. So reaccumulation trade right here. Okay, Swiss yen, HKD JPY. All right. Buy signal was here. Sellers came in heavy. We got back in, and that's holding. Next target right here. All right, shaping up. Let's bring this down here like this. Resistance right here. Okay, so we just need to break through that resistance right here. Dollar yen. Dollar yen can be tricky, but it's holding firm right now. And we've got to get past near-term resistance right here. Buy signal here, moving up slowly here. Need to break through that resistance there. Okay. And Aussie New Zealand. You guys know what's going on with the Aussie pair. So Aussie New Zealand on the 240. Buy signal here. Good markdown phase. Green candles holding firm. All right. Target is right here. So considering the market, guys, not bad. All right. Not bad. So Aussie pairs and the yen pairs. Okay. Long. All right. So right here, right now, the Kiwi pairs are making a move. All right. So let's take a look at those in Monster Scalper. Okay. So the Kiwi pairs making a move right now. And we would like to see the Kiwi pairs shape up. All right. And follow the yen and the Aussie pairs. I think we have buy signals on the Kiwi pairs on the 60-minute, but we were waiting for follow through. So let's take a look at those. All right. And so New Zealand dollar. All right. New Zealand dollar. So that buy signal close. Let's wait to see if we get another buy signal. We'll send that out. Okay. So it has a really good markdown phase here. All we're waiting for is a buy signal. And the Kiwi pairs will follow the Aussie pairs. Okay. All right. So all we need, guys, is a price to break resistance, get us a buy signal on the daily time frame. We have buyers on the daily. Okay. So buyers on the daily. That's all we need for that 60-minute. Okay. So New Zealand dollar, New Zealand Swiss, right? Wait for it. All right. Good markdown phase. We got a green candle. We just need more buyers to come in and a break of resistance. Ideally, on the daily, we need at a minimum a white candle. So if that buy signal comes in on dollars on New Zealand Swiss, guys, right here on that 60-minute, and these candles are still red, don't take that trade. Wait for at a minimum a white candle there. Okay, on New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand CAD. All right, good decent markdown phase. It's waiting here. We need buyers to come in, get a new buy signal. Most recent buy signal failed, and we have buyers here on the daily. Okay, so daily looks good. We just need buyers to come in with a buy signal. Okay, so the Kiwi pair is not quite ready yet. All right, Aussie dollar right here. Aussie New Zealand closed. Okay, so on the 60-minute, I know we missed this trade here. Let's see here. I think that's the one we missed. Hold on. Aussie New Zealand. Yes, so we might have another chance. All right, we might have a chance if it gives another buy signal here, right? Might have a chance to get on that trade. We have buyers here on the daily. Okay, so daily looks good. But see how this is shaping up here, guys? Look at that on the 60-minute. All right, we have buyers here and buyers here on the Aussie. And again, we need the Kiwi to shape up. All right. All right. Let's see if we can find some new opportunities to go long in the yen pairs on the 60. All right. Let me just make a note here. All right. All right. So ZAR yen, we're in ZAR yen already on the 60. Look at that buy signal on the daily too, guys. That's very encouraging for ZAR yen. All right, dollar yen. All right, nothing here yet. SGD JPY. It's got a buy signal here, struggling to break through that resistance. All right, New Zealand yen. All right, New Zealand yen. We have a red candle came in on New Zealand yen. All right, wait on New Zealand yen, guys. Very choppy. All right, nothing here yet. We have a lot of resistance here, right in here. Support down here. Very, 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 look at this, guys. Complete mess. Okay, so just wait on that. HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen. Wait for a buy signal. All right, buyers are on the daily. Wait for a buy signal there. Pound yen. Pound yen, we're in pound yen. Euro yen. All right, wait for a buy signal on euro yen. Swiss yen. All right, looks good. CAD yen looks good. And then Aussie yen still holding here. Okay. Quick look at 2:40, and then we'll be done. All right, short evening, no equities this evening because of the holiday. Look here, guys, you see here, and this is on the 2:40. This is all we've got. That's trending here. That's it. All right, so like I said, it's a holiday, right? So that happens a lot. ZAR yen on the 2:40, great trade going here, right? Dollar yen. All right, we're looking for new buy signals. Keep an eye on pound yen on the 2:40. Okay, so this previous buy signal failed, and it's holding, guys, right at that resistance. Okay, and you guys remember pound yen, big picture. Here is pound yen. All right, here's the daily right here. Here's the weekly. All right, and then here's the monthly. So it wants to go up. We have no sellers yet on the daily, weekly, or monthly. All right, look at the monthly here. Okay, so just keep that in mind with it right here. Okay, so it's holding above resistance. I know this is high in the markup phase, but we're looking for another opportunity to break out, and hopefully we get another trade like this right here. Okay. All right. Euro yen, wait for it. Swiss yen, great trade going here. Swiss yen on the 2:40. Aussie yen, that's gone, but let's see here. Aussie yen. All right, so we have it. We do have it on the 2:40 Aussie yen right here, and it is breaking out. So those of you who took it, good job. All right, Aussie yen. We were concerned with Aussie yen. Right here. So we had two buy signals that failed here and here. So that was a concern with this buy signal here, but it broke out nicely here. All right. All right, guys. I said 30 minutes, so we're right on 30 minutes. Tomorrow we'll do a full hour and we'll go through equities. The markets will resume tomorrow. Okay, so we'll go through equities tomorrow. Let's see here. Yeah, US 30, nothing. Our NAS 100 traders tomorrow. All right. Look for if the markets are up. All right, futures are up in the morning. Look for another buy signal on the NAS. NAS has been trading really well. Here was the previous trade on the 60, guys. That's a lot. That did really well. All right. So it's just holding that resistance. If it breaks through that resistance, right, in that New York session, we could get another buy signal. Okay. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. So we have Thursday and Friday. All right, Thursday and Friday for equities. So hopefully we get a nice closing for the week. All right. Thanks for coming, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.